to call the names of my outstanding learners from Grade 4 Bonifacio, who have shown excellence in both academics and character. As your class advisor, I am truly proud of your achievements. Let us begin with the learners who received with honors and character awards. With honors and character awardee, Adami Eli Amper. Adami Eli Amper, with honors. Makabansa, makadiyos, makatao, at makakalikasan. Kabaho Prince Angelo. Kabaho Prince Angelo, with honors. Maloyohoy Jeff Wayne, with honor. Makabansa, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan. John Caleb, with honor. Makabansa, makadiyos, makatao, at makakalikasan. Bowden Princess Macy, with honor. Makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan. Go Christina, with honor. Makabansa, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan. Orante Mona Lisa May Balagon, with honor. Makabansa, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan. Tao, makakalikasan. Congratulations, my dear learners. And now, let us also recognize the following learners who have exemplified commendable behavior and values in the classroom. These learners are recipients of the Character Award. First, Semini Cello Glenn Gamos. Makabansa, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan. Section, and as your class advisor announces the names, the awardees will step forward on stage together with their parents. To begin, we call